Dear brothers and sisters, in the ancient storied city of Medina, where the golden light of history mingles with the vibrant pulse of community, there lived a humble merchant named Hassan. Close, the narrow, bustling streets were filled with whispers of anticipation, and the fragrance of freshly baked bread mingled with the scent of frankincense. Every stone and every corner told a tale of enduring faith and sacrifice, and amidst this sacred setting, Hassan, known for his generous heart and steadfast commitment to Allah, prepared for the most significant act of charity in Islam, Zakat Al-Fitr. His eyes reflected both the struggles of everyday life and the hopeful promise of divine mercy, illuminating a path that countless believers have walked over the centuries. One tranquil evening, as the cool desert breeze softly caressed the walls of his modest home, Hassan gathered with his family in a humble sitting room, lit by the gentle glow of oil lamps. His wife, with a mixture of tenderness and determination, inquired, "Hassan, have we calculated our Zakat Al-Fitr for this blessed season?" In response, Hassan's voice resonated with both pride and piety. "Indeed, my love, I have meticulously measured our surplus for each family member, ensuring that our contribution meets the divine obligation. This is not merely a monetary act, but a sacred duty that purifies our fast and brings relief to those burdened by hardship." Their conversation wove together practical responsibilities and profound spiritual insights, echoing the timeless directive of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that every act of giving transforms the giver's heart and uplifts the entire community. Reflecting on the origins of this divine practice, Hassan often recalled the luminous guidance of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during moments of deep introspection in the Hira cave. It was there, in the silent embrace of the night, that the angel Jibril descended with a message so profound it changed the course of history forever. The Prophet's declaration, "The fast remains suspended between heaven and earth until Zakat Al-Fitr is paid," resonated like a clarion call to every believer, emphasizing that the act of charity is integral to the spiritual purification achieved through fasting. This sacred injunction, recorded in the annals of Islamic tradition, reminds us that true worship is incomplete without the compassion that flows from our hearts to those in need, intertwining the material and the spiritual in a tapestry of divine mercy and communal solidarity. With his heart set on embodying the spirit of the Prophet's teachings, Hassan took to the streets of Medina on the eve of Eid, determined to distribute his Zakat Al-Fitr with utmost sincerity. Clad in simple attire and carrying small bundles of dates and grains, he traversed the labyrinthine alleys, pausing before humble homes and modest dwellings where families struggled to make ends meet. Each interaction was imbued with empathy and respect, as he offered not only sustenance, but also words of hope and reassurance. Hassan's generous distribution transformed his journey into a moving pilgrimage of charity, where every shared morsel became a symbol of unity and every smile a testament to the enduring power of collective goodwill, a living embodiment of the Prophet's legacy. As dawn broke on the day of Eid, the city of Medina awoke to a symphony of joyous celebrations and heartfelt prayers. In bustling squares and serene mosques alike, families gathered to offer the Eid prayer, their voices rising in unison as they thanked Allah for his boundless blessings. The spirit of Zakat Al-Fitr had woven its magic through the community, ensuring that even the poorest souls could partake in the festival's joy. The vibrant streets, decorated with colorful banners and shimmering lights, reflected a tapestry of diversity, united by a shared commitment to kindness and generosity. In every shared meal and every warm embrace, the true essence of Islam shone through. The power of charity to mend broken hearts and bind people together in the eternal bond of faith. As the celebrations unfolded, the story of Hassan's journey and the timeless practice of Zakat Al-Fitr resonated deeply with all who witnessed it, serving as an enduring reminder of Islam's core values. The act of giving, as prescribed by the Prophet, was not merely a ritual, but a transformative force capable of cleansing the soul and uplifting the entire community. In a world where material wealth often overshadows spiritual richness, Zakat Al-Fitr or Fitr offers a path to reorient our priorities, reminding us that true prosperity lies in the compassion we extend to others. May this sacred tradition continue to inspire us to seek forgiveness, nurture our hearts, and build a more just and united Ummah, a legacy of love and mercy that transcends time Amin?